Hi everyone, this is MA. Today I'm going to show you some easy methods for making a hot water bottle cover. So let's get started. I've had a request for a hot water bottle cover, so today I'm going to show you an easy method for making a hot water bottle cover. And I'm going to work with 2 strands of Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. You can either crochet a chain that is as long as the bottom of the hot water bottle right up to the very top, or you can crochet a chain that wraps around. And this is an example of one that I worked a chain that is as long as the hot water bottle, and then I just worked continuous rows of double crochet until I could wrap it all the way around the hot water bottle, and then I sewed across the bottom and up the side and put a drawstring in. And for this one I started with a chain that wrapped around the hot water bottle, and then I worked all the way up. And I've gone ahead and I've made a chain that I can wrap around the hot water bottle. And then I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Like that. Now if you're experienced at crochet, you could just do a chain that's 1/2 the width and then work down both sides of the chain and work your way up, the same as you would do if you were working a hat. But for this demonstration, I'm going to work around and around, and then you can sew the bottom closed when you're finished. So after slip stitching to join the chain, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around at the end of the row, slip stitch to join. And I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch. You can work in the full side if you like, but I'm just going to work in the back side of the stitch. I'm going to pull the yarn through and then complete my single crochet. Find the back side of the stitch, pull the yarn through, and finish the single crochet. So I'm going to work across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch and working a single crochet. Okay, so work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And now every row will be exactly the same. It will be chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch all the way around, working only in the back side of the stitch. And then you just continue to do row after row until the work is as tall as your hot water bottle. And then you can fasten off, chain a cord and pass it through around here, and then pull it to gather up. And that's how this one was made. I started with a chain that wrapped around the hot water bottle, and I just worked single crochets, rib stitching, working in the back side of the stitch only. And I just changed colors, so you could just use your scraps to make these. Any colors that you've got, that would be fine. Crochet a chain, pass it around the top, and then you can slide the hot water bottle inside and tie the top closed. And so here's one that was worked sideways, and this one was worked in the moss stitch. And then if you like, you can add a flower, and this flower is exactly the same flower as this flower, which I have a video of, and I only did the actual flower and not the leaves. I'll put the link below for how to make this flower. And there you go. You can go ahead and make some hot water bottle covers. I hope you enjoyed this easy video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.